shit, please, Mr. DJ.
But it might just be this one.
Yeah, we're gonna break this shit down. It's the last song.
Listen.
I want you guys to get wild. Come on.
Check.
Come on.
A lot of times I rap out in clubs and like, there's not a real way to describe my style, but people just say one thing. They're like, yo. Hey yo, I'm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's true in rapping competition. I'm the dopest. I dub this funkalicious composition, stoner's opus. Y'all are gonna listen once you're piffing how you're smoking. Ibuprofen? Never that, I'll be joking. And every time I'm feeling stressed, I conjure up this notion. Twist a bit of happiness to mend all that is broken. Perhaps the law of averages will help me see my hopelessness. It's dramatic, I'm living life fantastic. Some kids are in the cold without a jacket, walking barefoot on dirty road through city traffic. Ignorance ain't bliss, our disregard is fucking tragic. Everyone's depressed, FML's their Facebook status. They should recognize that they're alive and be ecstatic. I can sympathize, acknowledge all your habits. Crazy shit that shaped you, I'm sorry but it happens. So stop the black and white connotations. Weddings versus funerals, an ancient confrontation. Yet the basis is unusual, it's pivotal. Transcend your image of pride. Take a rip, hit a drag, relax it. High, sing it. So high, I want to get high. So high, I want to get high. Look at this shirt. So high, I want to get high. So high, oh yeah. So what you got, Holly Don?
I got that line.
So what you got, Holly Don?
Hey, yo. So can I kick
So
it?
what you got, Holly Don?
Okay.
Show them what you got, Holly Don. Check.
Yeah. Hey, yo. Bring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Sometimes I catch a quick and other times I kick it slowly. Oh, you're so nosy, acting like my homie. You're forcing it, and I ain't talking Obi-Wan Kenobi. Big up to Joey.
Hey, yo, big up to Holly Don.
He could be a presidente, yo soy la capitana. Ichiban, in Japan that's #1.
True.
In Osaka, eat some yakisoba and you done. Konnichiwa, watashi no maiwa. Honey chan chan, take your young sayonara son. Mushi mushi.
Hey, yo, what's going on?
Nothing eats sushi in the land of setting sun, but I'll leave the east. Travel to Caribbean. When it comes to reefer, I prefer Jamaican. So hit the bomb or smoke a spliff of Dutch. Listen when we say it right.
What a bum bum. What a bum bum. Bum bum de lam bum bum. What a bum bum. What a bum bum. Bum bum de lam bum bum. What a bum bum. What a bum bum.
We're gonna switch it up.
Yeah, switch it. This is for our niece. We gotta sing about her all the time. She's pretty cool. Check. Let's switch it.
Alright, you ready? Let's do this shit, man.
Me la 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 woo. You are my la 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 little dude. Me la 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 bum bum chile. Been chillin' with your mama since back in the day. Me la 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 woo. You are my la 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 little dude. Me la 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 bum bum chile. Been chillin' with your mama since back in the day. Okay.
Yo, give it up. You guys like justice and don't
Thank you.
Yo, we're all sweaty now.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Come on. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Put the freestyles, get home and split the Dutch. Episode fabulous, Mr. Joe Miraculous.